Today I'm showing you a easy way of making Badam Halwa. Hi, I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. For this, I have soaked almonds in water and peeled the skin. This I want to make it into a coarse powder. I have coarsely done the badam. In the pan, I am going to add all the ingredients. Adding the Khoya, sugar, ghee, cardamom powder, saffron I've soaked in a spoon of milk. Now this is mixed well. At this stage, you can taste and see for your sugar. For me, I need another 2 spoons of sugar. Now I can put it on the hob. Now the sugar is melted. I'm getting a beautiful aroma. I'll switch off the flame and keep stirring for some more time. Allow this to cool for some time and serve this warm. Now this is warm and ready to serve.